Vielleicht sollten wir mal zwischenspeichern. Jetzt ist die Frage, wie viel haben wir denn noch von Heilung? 2 Stück. Werkzeugkosten. Injektion herstellen. Munition herstellen. Heilungspaket. Achso, dafür brauchen wir das Serum. Ich hätte gemeint, das Serum ist für Ding. Ist so eine Art Währung. Wie viel Muni haben wir denn eigentlich? 21. Dann darf ich sagen, da haben wir uns noch ein bisschen was erstellen. Und jetzt haben wir keine Hardware mehr. Also mit der Hardware können wir Munition herstellen. Oh. Das glaube ich wird jetzt gleich hässlich, was ist da hinten? So, gleich mal Ladung ab. Das war nix, die Hand ist schon wieder umgefallen. Die Hütte war gar nichts aus. Scheiße, jetzt sind alle hinter mir her. Das war der erste. Der große geht der steckt da ordentlich ein. Scheiße. Alter, ich sehe nichts mehr. Ja. Und da sind wir das erste Mal gestorben, gell? So leicht geht das. Aber zum Glück haben wir gespeichert. Scheiße. Das Blöde ist, die anderen zwei Hamperer. Bringen gar nichts zusammen. Scheiße. Hau ein, Kollege. So, 2 flickert. Mehr noch. Flickert. Und jetzt der große noch. So, seht ihr das? Das war besser. Oder gibt es da was? Nein, die Nester noch. Das ist kaputt und das noch. Gut.
Hey guys, you see that?
And? Don't feel like you're letting us do all the dirty work, huh? Not like we need a distraction, you know?
Seriously, look! Looks like some metallic stuff down this hole.
That's the Bugs tunnels. Far as I know, they don't use metal for supports. That's fucking weird, man.
Almost looks like pre-turmoil shit. Stuff built by the colonists.
Holy shit! You sure? Relics?
I said almost.
We gotta go back up fast and tell the guards. We'll get triple rations.
You sure got a problem with food. I'm with you on that, though. And anyway, who knows what's down there? Better we tell them to go down and see for themselves. Come on, we're done. Let's go see the guards.
Okay, let's go.
Why the fuck are you doing there? Sick of it already? Your shift's not over yet.
That's not it. I found something down there.
Well, let's see. And just what did you find, your asshole? Must have been something for a jerk-off like you.
Nah, seriously? There's some kind of debris down one of those holes there. Metal stuff. The guy over here says they're relics from the colonists.
Yeah, right, and I bet he told you he used to work in a museum.
There really is something in one of the tunnels. Something metal, manufactured. If you didn't put it there, it's gotta be pretty old. Up to you if you want to risk ignoring it just because you can't stand me, but your boss might not think the same way if he hears about it.
All right, we'll call the boss, and you better not be shitting us to get out of working. Our technomancer's not exactly a bundle of laughs.
I've been told you found something suspicious. Report, soldier.
Yes, sir. The cleaning squad went down, but they came back early, saying they found some metallic debris in one of the tunnels. The prisoner says they're relics. I thought I should tell you.
If they actually are relics and not the fantasies of a group of gullible fools, you did the right thing, soldier. So, prisoner, describe what you saw and what makes you think it was relics. Unless you happen to be an expert.
I'm not the one who said they were relics, sir. He did. I just saw metal scraps down a hole in it.
Enough. You, speak.
There really is metallic debris in one of the tunnels dug by the moles. Old metal, manufactured. That's why I think it could be what's left of some colonial facility.
And do you have much experience with colonial facilities?
Not really. It's just a guess.
Well, well. A smart prisoner. This camp is chock full of surprises. Mary, my dear, do go down and see what this is all about, will you? Tell me if our local genius here is right or wrong.
Yes, Master.
And take him with you. With someone else. Give me a report. And, Mary, don't take any unnecessary risks.
Yes, Master.
It's here. We didn't go down. The debris looked strange, so we went back up immediately.
Oh, really? You were right. It does look like pre-terminal remains.
Gut, jetzt sind wir wieder in der Höhle, gell? Und jetzt freuen sie sich alle über den Scheißdreck da. Ist doch, ja, das ist doch bloß Metallschrott, oder? So, wo ist denn die Mary hin? Die steht da vorne. Moment einmal. Da wollen wir mal speichern. Und der andere, was ist mit dem anderen? Geht der mit? Kollege. Ach, der bleibt da stehen. Zurück im Janik. Gut, dann müssen wir da oben schauen.
I imagine a lot of people would mistake it for drilling debris. What did you do before the war?
Well, What the...
A queen!
Ja, das schreit nach Ärger. Jetzt haben wir es mit der Königin zum Tor. Aua!
I'll draw it off. Try to protect the girl.
Verstör die Maulwurfseier.
Just do what I fucking tell
Alter. Ich glaube, das machen wir nicht lang.
Jesus, man, we can't stay here. That bug will eat us alive. We gotta get out of here.
Quatsch nicht.
Yeah, sure. Go.
Scheiße, ich krieg da die Hucke vollgehauen.
I'll eat you alive.
Was versuchst du aus dem Gleichgewicht zu bringen? Kollege, hau zu.
So would you care to explain what we're supposed to do now?
Shaker, we need her awake. Now.
So, wir müssen erstmal die Dinge zerstören, bevor wir irgendwie an der Königin was machen können. So, die Dame ist wieder wach.
She's waking up. I'm done here. No way I'm sticking around. You stay with your girlfriend.
Toll, da haut ab. So, die machen was.
Amos, charge some fluid now. We need a powerful shock to collapse this tunnel or that thing will follow us.
Scheiße, das Ding ist hinter uns her.
What about the relics? No, we can't just...
For fuck's sake, hurry. I'll try and draw deeper into the pool, but it won't last long.
Scheiße. Macht die was? So, der ist weg jetzt. Gut, den haben wir jetzt erlegt. Und was macht sie jetzt? Sie dürfen mal langsam was machen mit ihrer Zauberei. Scheiße. Opfern können wir auch nicht. Scheiße, was ist das los da?
A shame we'll never know what was in that tunnel. Unless we send a squad to clear all that mess.
With that creature down there? With all due respect, ma'am, I don't know many people with the guts to do that.
And you? How is it you know so much of the powers of technomancy?
I worked with one, once. Nothing more.
Really? Fine, let's go back up. I have a report to make.
Roy, if you need a hand for a job or something, you know where to find me, right?
Master, they were indeed relics from pre-thermal times.
They were?
The tunnels were inhabited by a queen who had to run away and collapse the tunnel. I failed, Master. I'm sorry.
Mary, I am sure you did what had to be done. I told you not to take any unnecessary risks, and you did not. You did well.
So, wir haben die 50 Stufen erreicht. Und der schwarze Kundenträger, der scheint irgendwie da der Obermacker zu sein, oder? Gut, pass auf, wir haben wieder 2 neue Punkte. Jetzt nehmen wir, pass auf mal. Erlaubt Projektile zu parieren. Was, glaube ich, gar nicht so verkehrt, oder? Nehmen wir mal. Und mehr Gesundheit, glaube ich, war da nicht schlecht. Gut, und was machen wir jetzt? Gebe der Wache Joe die Nagelpistole. Achso, die haben wir noch dabei, genau. Die anderen haben wir ja unten versteckt.
I brought you the gun.
See anything down there? Any trace of the others?
Sorry, but it's kind of dark down there, and we were under pressure. The bugs were everywhere, so no, I didn't see anything.
Shit. Think we're gonna have to send out a patrol. We can't leave those guys lying around in the tunnels. Too bad about the reward. Come on, get out of here.
Tja, Kumpel, leider nichts gefunden. So, weiß er noch was?
I still can't get over the state of those guys that came back up a while back. You gotta ask yourself if they really know what they're doing in recruitment.
Ja, quatsch du noch.